Yeah, so day to day it's been a game changer. Getting bookings through, keeping the customers informed, everyone knowing what they're doing and how much things cost, and being on the same page. It's just been brilliant.
From scheduling the work, it makes it a lot easier to see how much work you've got in. Online bookings is good for us as well, because a lot of our regular customers use online bookings and we don't have to spend time booking them in.
Job creation is the easiest thing. It makes it so much quicker to book someone in and to the point of invoice after work's completed. Or if you send out an estimate, to convert that into an invoice is really easy. And it just keeps it all moving seamlessly.
Everything communication by me and the customer is much better. They are happy with me, happy with our communication, happy with our email back, with confirmation, with the video, what we can do with TechMan, and I think this is the key. This is the key of the success, to have this application TechMan to can achieve to the goals.